Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys on how to make skull cap. Yes, skull cap. Okay, so let's dive in. So today I'll be teaching you from the basics on how to make your skull cap. First of all, your weaving should be inside weaving. Yes, we call it DD. Most people call it DD, but normally it's called inside weaving. Okay, then you get your white hanky. The reason why we are putting our white hanky on our customer's hair is just to prevent the bonding from touching your natural hair. So the hanky on your hair prevents the bonding from touching your hair. All right, so you have to use your hanky. You cut your hanky into 2 equal parts. So you cover the front, then you cover the back. All right, so let me tell you the most important thing in making your skull cap. You need a holding spray or spray gel and a bonding. All right, so that's the 2 most important things you need: a holding spray and your bonding. So after wearing your cap, then you wear your black cap. You can use any color of cap you want to. You can use any color of cap. All right, then you carefully use your bonding to comb it on your customer's hair, as you can see. Then you spray your holding spray before you start putting your Afrobi. Spray your holding spray, very, very important. So the starting point of you applying your Afrobi, you start from the back of the customer here, from the back of her ear to the other back of her ear. Then you cut. You repeat the process continuously till when you get to the front. Okay. In this case, I actually use 2 kind of weave-on because of the style my customer is making. I used an Afrobi and another weave-on called Chinese cut because she wanted something different and unique. All right, so at the end of the video you will see the second weave-on I use. As you can see the front of this skull cap, you can see the difference between the Afrobi and the Chinese, and you will see the reason why I had to use the Chinese. Okay, so let's continue. Keep repeating the same process from end to end, then you keep cutting from end to end. You don't turn. Okay, when making a skull cap, you don't turn your Afrobi. You need to cut from end to end. Alright, so let's keep watching. So this is me when I'm done, when I was done with the Afrobi. So before I start barbing, some people they want to barb their skull cap. Some of them use clipper, but me, I don't use clipper to barb my skull cap. I use something called blade comb. It's a comb, but inside the comb there's a razor blade inside the comb. Alright, so that's what I use. So this is me barbing my skull cap. Careful when barbing your skull cap, extremely careful. Alright, so you don't barb it so deep and you spoil your wound. Be careful. Once you are barbing, you're checking. Alright, so when you don't barbing the back, now this is going to the front. Because this front, I didn't use Afrobi, I used that weave-on I told you about, Chinese weave-on. Alright, so before I can barb this Chinese, I had to stretch first to get the length of the Chinese before I need to barb. Right, I didn't actually barb it very low, just a bit cutting, and just cut it a bit, then I stretched again. Alright, stretch to get the length of the ribbon. You don't just barb the Chinese hair. Alright, you can see the hair is coming out nice already. This is my trimming off the excess part from my hair. You need to be careful with the scissors, actually very careful, so you don't cut out your customer's hair. Alright, this is me using the clipper. I didn't use the clipper to barb the hair, I just used the clipper to like carve the neck of the skull cap, so it will give you that natural look, give you that very natural look. Alright, so if today is the first time coming across my video, kindly like my videos, subscribe to my channel, click the notification button so you can be notified anytime